Hi, my name is Miss Nancy, and I'm an elementary school teacher in Tampa, Florida, and mother of 3 kids, and I'm here to show you how to make a figure-8 bow, just like this one, to put on presents or in hair. And what we're going to need to do this is we're going to need some ribbon. We're going to need a scissors. Now, if the kids are going to do it, make sure you have a safety scissors with the rounded edges on top. And we're going to need some tape. So the first thing we're going to do is take the ribbon. You're going to need quite a bit of it, so we'll do 2 arm lengths this time. You can probably use 3 if you want to, because you need quite a bit of bow for this. Then we're going to cut it. And again, remember, if the kids involved here, have them use safety scissors to cut it. Doesn't matter whether you cut a straight edge or whether you cut it diagonally, just cut. Now comes the tricky part. We're going to loop it like that, just about the size of your fist. You could probably get a fist through there if you wanted to. And we're going to need some tape. Thank you. And tape it all the way around the bow, or all the way around the loop, rather. So we're wrapping the tape all the way around that to make sure that we have it nice and secure. So you have a loop that's all secured with tape. We're going to circle it around. Just keep winding it up. There we go. Until you have all your ribbon wound. Now press it down and line it up so you have one big stripe of ribbon. Now that we have our nice long bow, we're going to fold it in half so that it looks like that. And we need a pipe cleaner now. One of you ladies hand me a pipe cleaner? Thank you. And we're going to stick our pipe cleaner right through the center, just like that. Pull it down a little bit and cut the edges, just like that.
Do you think you could speed up just a small?
There we go. Now, pull it up like that. Hang on, sweetie. And twist the pipe cleaner so that it's nice and secure. Now comes the easy part. Turn it upside down.
Okay,
And just spread them apart. We just spread apart the bow. You want to help? Everybody pull some apart. There we go. And you have a fun figure-8 bow that you can put on top of a present or in somebody's hair. And that's it.